This worker was repairing a raised dump truck without proper safety support when tragedy struck. Take a look. The truck tailgate was lifted, and the worker stood beneath it while welding, and this led to a bad accident. This video highlights the importance of following safety precautions at a workplace and ensuring machines are properly secured before working on them. At a fuel station, a worker was inflating a tire when everything turned to chaos. Body. The tire exploded suddenly, causing debris and smoke, showing the importance of undergoing appropriate training before you handling pressurized tires. Construction work involves heavy machinery and large structures, where lack of attention can lead to life-threatening accidents. In the video, workers were lifting a massive concrete slab when it suddenly lost stability and collapsed. Quick reactions save lives, but it highlights the danger of being too close to heavy loads. Proper distance, safety barriers, and strict adherence to safety rules are essential to prevent fatal accidents. In workplaces, handling heavy or hazardous materials like gas cylinders requires strict safety measures. This video shows a worker managing gas cylinders on a truck without proper safety precautions. Such unsafe handling can lead to leaks, explosions, or crushing accidents. This highlights the importance of training, correct equipment use, and awareness to prevent workplace disasters. This CCTV footage shows a workplace accident where a heavy container unexpectedly tips over near a guard post. The container appears unstable while being lifted or moved, eventually falling onto nearby structures. Such accidents can cause severe injuries or fatalities to workers in the vicinity. This emphasizes the importance of proper load securing, equipment inspection, and adherence to safety protocols during material handling. Roadwork machines were operating in close quarters on a narrow site when this happened. A loader moved forward while an excavator worked nearby. From the driver's seat, the operator had almost no visibility of the ground worker walking close to the machine. This moment shows how blind spots around heavy equipment create deadly risks if safety distances are ignored. A worker is seen handling steel pipes on a loading platform. Watch what happened next. One pipe shifts unexpectedly, causing the worker to fall off the platform. This shows the danger of poor safety measures and lack of protective equipment. This incident shows a dangerous workplace fire where workers were trapped on an elevated lift while flames spread rapidly on the building's surface. Due to a sudden fire outbreak during construction or maintenance work, 2 workers were caught in a life-threatening situation, with fire and smoke rising below them. One worker was forced to jump from the elevated platform to escape the flames, risking severe injuries. This incident shows a group of workers inside a deep excavation site when everything turned to chaos. As the workers continue their tasks, the excavation wall suddenly gives way, causing a massive landslide of soil and debris. The sudden collapse puts the workers in immediate danger, showing how lack of proper shoring and slope protection can lead to severe workplace accidents. This footage shows a worker in a factory handling heavy steel coils with a crane hook. The worker is seen maneuvering the crane hook to lift a large steel coil. However, standing too close to suspended loads increases the danger of accidents if the coil shifts or the hook fails. Proper safety practices require workers to keep a safe distance, use tag lines to guide the load, and ensure the area is clear of personnel before lifting. These workers are standing on an unstable surface without proper safety equipment. Watch what happened next. One worker loses balance and falls from a dangerous height, highlighting the severe risks of ignoring fall protection and workplace safety measures. This forklift operator is inside a warehouse, maneuvering between racks filled with stored items. When he loses control, due to poor handling or imbalance, the forklift strikes the shelving unit, causing a massive collapse of racks and stored goods. This highlights the dangers of unsafe forklift operation in confined warehouse spaces. The images show a worker performing welding or cutting on top of a large structure without proper hazard identification. Failing to identify potential risks before starting work caused the worker to face dangerous sparks and possible burns. Safety measures like hazard assessment, protective gear, and controlled environment are essential to prevent such incidents. A serious workplace accident occurred at a construction site when workers were handling heavy equipment on elevated platforms. As the crane was operating nearby, one worker lost balance and was struck by machinery, causing him to fall through the metal structure. The lack of fall protection and safety harnesses made the incident even more dangerous. This incident shows a worker standing inside an excavation area without proper safety precautions. Due to negligence in safety practices, the soil suddenly collapsed, partially burying the worker. This highlights the importance of trench safety measures, proper shoring, and protective equipment to prevent life-threatening accidents.